Hi viewers, welcome to Gani SK YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create US baseplate connection number 71 in Tekla structures. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla structures with US environment. Now we're going to place the columns. So click on steel and select this column and pick the position to create the column. Now we're going to create one more column. So click on here, right click on mouse, interrupt. Okay, now we're going to create the beam between two columns. So click on this beam and pick the first position at here and pick the second position at here to create the beam. Okay, now we're going to create the one more column above of this beam. So select this column and pick the position at the middle of this grid to create the column like this. Right click on mouse, interrupt. Now we're going to edit this column top level and bottom level. So double click on it. Okay, currently we have the top level 20 feet, so we need to make it bottom level 20 feet, and let's take top level 27 feet. Then click on modify to see the result, just like this, and close this window. Now we have the column exactly above this beam. Okay, now we're going to create the connection between beam to column with US base plate connection number 71. Okay, click on application and components. Click on here search box and type here number 71. Scroll it down and select this US base plate connection number 71 component. Click on here. Now pick the beam first, then pick the second column. Now the connection will be generated at here between beam to column, just like this. Now close this window, right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, review. Okay, use the shortcut Ctrl R and pick the position and use the left mouse button to rotate like this. Okay, now we have the connection by default like this. To edit this connection, double click on it, double click on base plate. Now you will get this window. First click on parts tab. Now we're going to change the plate thickness. So let's take here ½ inch. Let's take the base plate width 8 inch here, and let's take the length of this base plate 1 feet 10 inch. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now I have the base plate width 8 inches and base plate length 1 feet 10 inches and thickness should be ½ inch. Okay, now click on bolts tab. Now we're going to change the bolt sizes and number of bolts. For example, we're going to take the bolt size 5 by 8 inch. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now bolt size should be 5 by 8 inch. Okay, let's take the tolerance 1 by 16, and I'm going to take here the number of bolts in width wise. Let's take 2 bolts with the spacing pitch distance 4 inches, and similarly in the lengthwise let's take the number of bolts 4 bolts and the spacing 6 inch and give the space 7 inch and 6 inch. Okay, now click on modify to see the result. Just click on here. You can see now we have the total 8 bolts like this. You can see. Similarly, you can enter number of bolts, how many you require in lengthwise and widthwise here. Okay, now we're going to see how to edit this stiffener, beam stiffener. So click on parts tab. Now we're going to change the thickness of this stiffener. Let's take ½ inch, and now I'm going to change the width of this stiffener. Let's take 4 inches, and length let's take 1 feet. Then click on modify to see the result, just like this. Okay, now we're going to increase the length of this stiffener. Let's take 1 feet 3 inches. Then select this connection, then click on modify to see the result like this. Okay, now it is out of this flange width, so let's take here 3 inch 1 by 4. Then click on modify to see the result like this. This stiffener should be inside of the flange like this. To edit this chamfer, click on beam stiffeners, then By default, we have the 3 by 4 inch here. Let's take here half inch. Now select this stiffener, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now this chamfer value should be half inch width and length. Next, click on stiffeners tab. In stiffener, now we're going to create the stiffeners at here and in this side at this location. So now we have the stiffener number here, number 3 and number 6 we required at the flange side. So 3 and 6, so we need to enter here number 3 and give the space and enter 6. Now select this connection plate and click on modify to see the result. You can see by default we have the stiffeners like this. Now we're going to edit the stiffener. So click on parts tab, number 3 and 6 stiffener option here. So let's take here the thickness of the stiffener 1 by 4 and width we're going to take here 3 inch and let's take the height 4 inch. Then click on modify to see the result like this. Now this stiffener is out of this connection plate. So let's take here the width 2 inch 3 by 4. Now select the connection plate and click on modify to see the result like this. Okay. Now this option will be applied to the both of the stiffeners. So now we're going to make chamfer for this stiffener. So click on picture tab. Now we're going to take the 3 and 6 stiffener. Here you can see this one is the 3 and 6 number 6 stiffener. So let's take here 1 inch chamfer value in widthwise and lengthwise. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now I have the chamfer value 1 inch in widthwise and lengthwise like this. If you want to create the stiffener at this location, then click on stiffeners and number 7. You need to enter here number 7 and number 1. You can create here also. For this example, that's not required, so I'm going to leave this one. Okay, that's it. Then click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse to draw view. That's it about how to create this type of base plate in Tekla structures. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.